Alright, here you go.
It's time to go home.
No kicking or hitting. No.
Yeah, you are. No, he's actually. I think Buddha has a chance.
He really does. Got the edge.
He just needs to learn it. Buddha's like kung fu. Fuck you. Oh!
Yeah, guys!
Get him, Jeremy. Get him. Get him, Buddha. Get him.
Turn it!
Buddha,
Turn it.
flail out. Flail out.
Inner strength!
Dixie, shut the hell up. You're not a cheerleader. Bring in your inner black man. Shut the fuck up.
Yes! All right.
And
Yeah.
I'm gonna stand you both up. Stand up. Dixie, shut the fuck up. Okay. Whenever you guys are ready. dude, that would be the knockout punch. Dude. Hey, Buddha, make it look like you're about to sock him in the head.
That you! He's down.
Oh my God, Buddha. Buddha. Fuck, Dixie.
Dixie, I'm fine.
Dixie, come on. Come on,
My
Dixie.
dog's so obsessive. It's okay, Dixie. I'm okay.
Hold on. It's okay, Dixie.
Okay, come on.